Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how easily you can install exam server in your computer. So exam server, uh, first of all we can open Apache friends.org, this website. Now click on download, and we have exam for Windows, for Linux, and for OS X for Mac. And for Windows we have version like PHP 5.6.40, PHP 7.1.26, PHP 7.2.14, and PHP 7.3.1. So we will install this version, the latest version. Download. Your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, you can click here. XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment and is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. And the XAMPP open source package has been set up to be incredibly easily to install and to use. So it's downloading, and then we will start installation for the XAMPP. So we can easily install exam server in Windows 10. Right now I am using Windows 10, so it's very easy method. Exam, like if you want to make a PHP script PHP website, or even if you want to use CMS like WordPress and you want to make a website offline, then you can use exam. So if you are searching for the installation of the exam server, this is a very simple video where I am explaining the steps which you can follow to download and install exam server in the Windows 10. Just give me a few seconds, it's downloading. Please wait. It's almost downloaded, like 95 MB out of 124 MB has been downloaded. So it will take only few seconds more. So it's downloaded. So we will start this. Then click on yes. Then click on OK. Then next. Then next. And then in C drive, next. Then you can uncheck this option, learn more about Bitnami. Then click next, then next. It's unpacking files, installing. So see, this has been installed now. In last you can see this. So do you want to the start the control panel now? Yes. Select first time English, and then now we need Apache and MySQL. So both you will start, and you can see like both are green, and both should be green. Now to make sure it has been installed properly, you will write localhost in your browser. Write full and not select from the uh, down, yeah, recommended words. So this is localhost, you can see install, and localhost slash php my admin. So if you open this one, you can see this is for databases. So we have successfully installed the exam server. Now if you stop Apache and MySQL, and now if you refresh, you can see it's not opening. See, and even databases localhost slash php my admin, you can see it's not opening. So whenever you want to start now, from where you can start, just click on Windows, uh, and then type here XAMPP, and open exam control panel. And as I said, you both things, Apache and MySQL, both should be start. Sometimes like MySQL or Apache is not working, like it's red or yellow, then you will have to check like which software port is same. So you will have to change the Apache, so you will have to change the exam ports. So because sometimes the software like Skype port is same, so we will have to close the Skype when we are using exam. Don't no need to uninstall, just close the software, any software which is creating issues for the exam. So when you use exam, then you can use that software. Thank you very much.